Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. Also, it takes a lot from me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, please do hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. As usual, I'm watching SPY, NVDA, Amazon and Tesla. SPY is gapping down and that suggests today probably it's going to be a red day, which gives me a bearish sentiment on all the three stocks that I'm watching. My primary watch being Tesla and my secondary watch being NVIDIA. Amazon, volume is really low. If volume kicks in, I'll be interested in Amazon. So going into market open, I do have some levels identified for Tesla. I anticipate these levels to act as resistance, and those are the levels I'm looking to go short by buying put options. The same with NVIDIA. I have just two levels, so I'll be looking to buy put positions around that area. We do have around 5 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market opens in another 20 seconds. I'm sorry about the background noise, because I have some lawn mowers out there, so sorry about the background noise. Market is open. I want Tesla to break the pre-market low of 993, only then I'm interested. Giving it some time. Yep, now it looks good. Marking one more level, as this is more evident now. Confirms the bearishness. I'll wait for a pop. 955, I'm jumping in on 10 contracts at 955 average, anticipating this level to act as a resistance. Taking 5 out, now holding only 5 contracts. Taking another 3 out at 11. I'll hold 2 contracts. Watching Tesla. It failed again around 995 area, but I'm not convinced with it right now. I'd prefer 1002 area. Tesla is actually trying to make a move, but it's failing again. I think this candle would be the first 5-minute candle to make a new high. Failed again around this area, did not hit my level, strong level of resistance. It failed around 3 times over there. We have around 3 minutes for this candle to close. That's why I'm not taking the trade, just watching. I think it should hit this level. 730, I'm getting it. My average is 715. My next ad would be around 1010, jumping in at 630. Not sure whether I'll get it. Yes, I'm in. My average is 658. I'll be quick to unload some shares off. Taking 10 off at 7. Yep. Now just holding 7 contracts. Taking some off at 670. I didn't get it. Yep, now just holding 2. I'll just take it off. Okay, I'm out. I got 2 ads, waited for it patiently, and I got the trade. Unfortunately, on my last trade, I think I got out partially at 13 contracts at 660, which is just 2 cents. I did not realize that I was just taking 2 cents profit when I placed a sell order. That trade did not give me what I anticipated, but green is good. Now, I like NVIDIA even better than Tesla because on NVIDIA we do have more room for ads. As you could see, it's significantly down. It is having a lot of resistance where I could actually short. But Tesla, we just have 2 levels, and this level I'm not trusting this because it already failed around that area. So if it breaks, it's going to squeeze the shorts out, and Tesla may move from red to green on the day. So right now, my focus would be on NVIDIA. So NVIDIA 260 strike price contract. We'll start at 810 maybe. I'll wait. Watching NVIDIA. Something really quick that I noticed when I started editing the video. I forgot to hit the record button on a couple of trades Because of the background noise, I did not want to keep my recording throughout the time. So I paused it a few times, and when I took a few trades, I forgot to actually start the recording back again. So just to give an idea about all the trades that I've taken today, the first trade that I took was actually on Tesla, which is captured in the video. Then I took a trade on NVDA. I bought at 7:30, 10 contracts. Then I slowly scaled it out. The next trade I took was on Tesla. I got the first ad around 7:15, the second one at 6:30. Then I slowly scaled out at $7, $6.70, and $6.60. Then my next trade was again on NVIDIA for 10 contracts at 8:06. Then I scaled out of that, which was my last trade. On my first trade, I got in 10 contracts at 9:55, and I only sold 8 of them. I forgot that I was having 2 more contracts with Tesla. And as soon as I got into NVIDIA, I realized that I had 2 open positions, which actually caused a panic because I'm not that great in managing multiple positions at a time. So I immediately sold that 2 contracts at 11.80 and then stayed in NVIDIA and eventually scaled out of it as well. So sorry about that. My intention behind these videos is to actually capture everything live so that you guys get a real sense of what it takes to be a day trader. That being said, I will wrap up this video for today. Overall, a great day of trading, making $3,000. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, the goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.